to see them, visit my other channel. If you don't like me speaking, don't watch my channel. I'm not going to tell you the name, you're going to have to find out yourself. Well, yeah, so November the 5th is really big night for all those fans, all those people who like to like fireworks, which is basically everybody. But my brother Lloyd has gone down to university, and he saw not. He didn't see any fireworks. So I made a long video, 31 minutes to be exact, and I'm sending it to anybody who wants to see the fireworks. I'm pretty sure he did see the fireworks, so I might just the wrong thing. Do you like tapping sounds on the table or on the keyboard? Whichever one you want, just put it in the comments below and I shall answer the request, and I shall post a video with the sound you want. Don't make it too difficult for me, don't make it too hard or tricky. And I'd like to thank all 130 subscribers for being so kind. Yeah. And to the whispering voice, I'm sorry about your uncle. We sent all our love, and I bet he appreciated that. Okay. Thank you all for listening. I shall be back soon.